Common interview question. If the people are attending interviews below 3 years of experience or above 3 years of experience or below 5 years of experience, the common interview question is, you know what? Did you work on any portlets in Employee Central? Obviously, we'll tell them answer yes. Now, can you please tell me some portlets? They'll tell you the portlets. Okay. Now, immediately they will ask you another question. By the way, do you know what is effective dated entity portlet, non-effective dated entity portlet? Yes. Yes. In SuccessFactor Employee Central module, towards employment objects, we are having portlets. We are having person information. We are having biographical information. We are having job information. We are having work permit information portlet. We are having contact information portlet. We are having address information portlet. We are having email information portlet. We are having compensation details information portlet. So likewise, we are having two types of portlets. One is entity portlet. One is a non-effective dated entity portlet. Effective entity portlet is a historical portlet where you can capture your current data and also you can capture your historical data as well. That's the reason we call them as effective entity portlet. Now, what is non-effective dated entity portlet? Non-effective dated entity portlets always shows current data only. There is no concept of showing historical data. Example, if I'm talking about non-effective dated entity portlet, example, personal information portlet. In the personal information portlet, where we are having the first name, last name, marital status values, right, fields, right? Now, when you are changing the data in the personal information portlet, the system will ask you, please enter effective status, right? Effective dated. Once you click the effective date, then only the system will display the other fields. Then you are doing a small correction. Maybe you are changing your marital status, maybe you are changing some other data, and then you will save it. Once you save it, previous value will be overwritten with a new value, right? Now this kind of a change you can observe by clicking the clock symbol, where in the left side you can see that the previous transactions as well. Now coming to the non-effective dated entity portlet, we don't have any kind of a historical data to save it. No, we don't have it. Example, biographical information portlet, or example, you go for it, contact information, where you can find the email information. Yes, there is no historical data at all. By the way, effective dated entity portlet, non-effective dated entity portlet will have a special permissions as well. Even the permissions also different. Yes, it is, my friends. In effective dated entity portlet, we are having 5 permissions. Number 1, view history, view current. Next, we have a edit and insert, creation and deletion. Next, non-effective dated entity portlet, we are having edit and view permissions. That's it. And if you'd like to know the differentiation between these entity portlets, yes, please watch the follow-up video which is available. I'm keeping on the description. Please go ahead and clarify your doubts so that you can have a clear understanding about the portlets organization. All right. Thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll meet you in another video with another concept. Thank you so much. Please watch and subscribe Rajesh Success Factor YouTube channel. Press bell icon strongly for you get more updates. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.